There is a widespread fear in Australia, in specific, and I'm sure also on the global level about the job losses due to the upcoming generative AI or artificial intelligence in general. Lots and lots of people are waking up to the harsh reality of Gen AI and its tooling. The fear is that many jobs will be lost sooner rather than later. And Australia is no different. Many people are asking what jobs will be lost and would government be able to help people out or not. The thing is that artificial intelligence is certainly going to replace many jobs. BBC says that according to the Goldman Sachs, more than 300 million full-time jobs will be lost, and according to a study in Australia, more than 2 million jobs might be lost. It could replace a quarter of work tasks, and it could eventually increase the total annual value of goods and services produced globally by 7%. So there will be a productivity boom for sure, but would it create new jobs in Australia? No one is sure. Generative AI able to create content indistinguishable from human work is a major advancement for sure. So any jobs related to content creation are at huge risk, and that includes programming and coding. The government is keen to promote investment in AI in Australia, which it says will ultimately drive productivity across the economy. But at the same time, we are not hearing anything concrete from the government in terms of employment prospects. So, what government needs to do is to make sure that AI is complementing the way we work, not replace us. And one of the Australian reports says that the impact of AI will vary across different sectors. 46% of tasks in administrative and 44% in legal professions could be automated, but only 6% in construction, 4% in maintenance, it says. So if you're a blue collar worker like a tradie, electrician, plumber, roofer, then you are largely safe. If you are a handyman or a construction worker, then you are safe too. If you are working in building and construction industry, you should be good. But if you are a programmer or coder or a white collar worker who generates content or who codes and whose work can easily be done by a software, then you are at risk. If you're a clergy or a priest, you are safe too. If you're a teacher, then AI should complement your work. If you are a child care worker or aged care worker, then you should be safe too. Another concern is around the lower wages. That one thing, one of the professor at UNSW said that the only thing I'm sure of is that there is no way of knowing how many jobs will be replaced by generative AI. But what ChatGPT does, for example, is allow more people with average writing skill to produce essays and articles. Anyway, so the thing is that creative tasks will be done by AI, no doubt about that. So you need to upskill yourself in terms of that. According to the research cited by the Goldman Sachs report, 60% of workers in occupations that did not exist in 1940, and most of them are in the creative work, and they will be lost. So that's not to say that AI won't disrupt the way we work, but we should focus too on the potential living standard gained from higher productivity work and cheaper to run services, as well as the risk of falling behind if further from then economies better adapt to technological change. If you have any other feedback, please put it in the comment section, as I'm keen to know what do you think about Australian job market after artificial intelligence age. Thank you.